Get ready for a long one, boys! If I remember correctly, last time I seen someone play the stage, it took them 10 minutes. We got a long stage on the way. Which, if you at least remember, at least older Sonic games, 10 minutes used to be the timeout. It probably won't take actually 10 minutes. It's probably going to take somewhere around like 6 or something. It's going to take too damn long is what it's going to take. For what this level is, because of just how fucking slow Amy is. Even the speed shoes are way too slow. Also, Amy climbs ladders. Hilariously slow. Let's keep moving. And cool, we're already done with the big section of the level. Not bad. This song's good.
It says left one, right.
No, it doesn't. So yes, we get some minor puzzles. Now up here, up a little bit further, I actually recommend building some speed up instead of actually doing this level normally. Even though it is kind of hard to get speed up as Amy. Or you can just do this the intended way. Amy is so fucking slow. Ah. There we go, section 2 complete. Now to section 3. The bathrooms. I think there's some hidden one-ups and shit in the stalls if you really care enough, but I'll be honest, I don't. So now I have to deal with Amy's inability to actually grab onto the fucking wire. A little bit of actual platforming with Amy, not the worst thing, but again, Amy's slow. But thankfully we're getting there. We're getting there. Bit by bit, we will finish the stage up. Why am I stopping? I should just jump and hit the thing. To keep moving. Probably. Which is why Gamma is better now. Isn't Omega's like only playable appearance as heroes, I think? Invincibility and speed shoes. Gotta go lightning speed. Greased lightning over here. Amy Rose. Wouldn't Omega be more of a grappler than a zoner? Amy, please. And we have to wait for the doors. I really don't see Omega as a zoner. I mean, he might have a projectile in his kit, but I don't really see him as a zoner. If he was even in a fighting game. Why am I talking about a theoretical Sonic fighting game? We already have the best fighting game of all time, Sonic the Fighters. Keep it moving, Amy. We're getting there, slowly but surely. So time for a puzzle, quote-unquote. I don't believe you. Also, I've only seen, like, the machine gun and flamethrower are the only guns I've ever seen him actually use. Amy, grab the block, please. Man, if we get a Sonic Adventure remake, I really hope this gets better, I guess is the right word. Papped out better. And now with this, we get TV. And now, we can improve the difficulty of this puzzle by now making you do it while dealing with Zero's stupid ass. But as you may notice, we're missing a whole block. God, I'm sick of Zero. Person launchers? So his arms? Thankfully, though, up here, we at least get a little bit of silence from Zero. Which is nice. Good job, Amy. Completely missed the area. Fantastic. So yeah, if you just don't want to deal with Zero, just hit the spring and then he'll go away. Because Zero essentially loses track of you, so you can kind of go. Camera, please, buddy, pal. Camera, work with me here, buddy. I feel like that's been the most recurring bit for Sonic Adventure is camera, buddy, pal, please. Just talking to the camera. And on a blistering fast, pretty much 8-minute long stage. Greased lightning. Then it wouldn't be a fair fight for Chaos Zero, then. Although, never mind. I would have what happened to Froggy happen to me, so no thanks. I don't want to be chased around by Big the Cat. Heated streamer drinks a god. Kills 7. So Amy actually has a very unique travel back to the past segment. She just looks so sad. Amy has to go the other way. Amy's objective, I'm pretty sure, is over here, I think. If I'm remembering correctly. Yeah, it is. I can see Tikal over there. Good old Greased Lightning, Amy Rose. The flip in the cutscene.
You're the Chow. Don't be afraid. You're safe with me. Gee, what was that? I wonder if I'm dreaming. Oh my! I need to get out
Wait.
of this place!
Wait. How? Oh, wait, never mind. We were all on here. Never mind. I forgot we were all main carrier already. I already forgot that.
Where do you think you're going, Amy?
And unfortunately, we don't get a bonus boss fight of Amy fighting Eggman.
Eggman, no!
You can't get away this easily.
I mean, I could. It's Sonic and Tails.
Too late, buddy.
Claw. And for my next trick, this bird will disappear.
It's a Chaos Emerald! What?
I don't need you when I'm not finished.
So keep in mind, Eggman mentions that he doesn't need them anymore. Because now Eggman has the emerald from the bird, so something's gonna be really weird in a little bit.
Annoying pests. Give him all you got.
Aye, aye, sir.
And uniquely,
I've got better things to do.
Amy doesn't actually fight Gamma. It just skips the fight entirely.
Please stop!
Okay. See you later, Red. Stay safe.
Amy? That's one of Eggman's clunkers. Out of my way.
No!
Amy has prevented Sonic from killing 2 robots.
Let me escape! This robot is different!
This robot is quite literally built different.
Okay?
Amy. Okay, I guess I'll let him go then.
And now the ship is crashing again.
The A carrier's losing altitude!
We're fresh out of time. Take Amy and clear out, fast.
What about you?
I'll nail that Eggman. Can't let him escape.
Bye, Sonic.
I knew you would save me, Sonic! You're my hero!
Sonic didn't do shit to save you.
You okay? It's dangerous here. Don't pay attention.
The most he did for you specifically was fight Gamma.
Why are you helping me?
I said we'd be friends, and I'm returning your favor. Even this birdie wants you to be free.
Oh yeah, Bird's back.
Eggman's not the kind of man you
Eggman didn't do shit.
Hey, come on, let's get going.
Sonic didn't do shit. He showed up, chose violence, and left. Didn't even help you. Tails is the one helping you escape. Yeah. Meh. The tails aren't even spinning. Now they are spinning now. Bye, Tails.
I wonder what Sonic is doing.
Oh my god.
Always rescuing me, it seems.
Sonic didn't do shit. You're already hit the son of a bitch. Why am I getting mad about a fucking Sonic story?
By having a Chaos Emerald with you. No wonder they were after you, my feathered friend. Hey, a pendant! Wow! So I'll help you find your family. Does Eggman have them captive?
Anyways. Get moving, Amy. Please. Oh god, you're so fucking slow. Back in the Mystic Ruins. It's gonna store us right. Nope, we have to go walk there. Okay. So, if you remember from Knuckles' story, we're going there. Chile! Gotta slowly walk over there. I guess there was a way to like almost instantly do the fucking hammer jump. Almost there. We've made it.
I don't remember this bridge. Dangerously suspicious.
Good talk. Good talk, Bird and Amy. Yes, we do. So back in Mega Man's secret base. Okay, it's over here then. I don't remember how to do this puzzle. Son of a bitch. The worst part is I did this first try on my Sonic playthrough too, which is fucking terrible. There we go. Final egg time.
Not you again!
And yes, despite having no need for Amy or the bird anymore, Zero is still chasing after you. They don't ever explain this. He just is, other than I guess like Eggman didn't program Zero to not chase after him. So that means Zero is specifically programmed to chase after Amy or the bird, not the Emerald. Which would make a lot more sense if he was chasing after the Emerald. Like, that would at least make sense of why Zero's chasing you. But no, Zero's just here, existing. Which is really funky.
The robot that was following you is closing in on you. It'll be over if that robot catches you. You must get away from it no matter what.
Thanks for the help to call. I can't tell.
Use the switch to bring the elevator down. Until it comes down, hide somewhere.
Yes, if Zero can't find you, he just kind of goes stomping the ground and he just gets pissy. Thankfully, we're out here. Zero can't climb. But unfortunately, we're not done dealing with Zero. Zero being determined as ever to catch Amy. There was actually another chance to use the fucking... what they called? What is it called? The barrel, but we don't do it. Now we got RNG, so pick a door and hope you guess right. Bad room, got a bubble. Another bubble. Real exciting stuff here. There we go, that's progress. Oh, fucking son of a bitch. No! I need speed because I messed up the puzzle. There we go, we're going. With that, we're almost done with Amy's story. I think we just have one more. We have a boss fight and then we're done. Good job, Amy.
That was a close one. I saw no sign of your relatives, Birdie. Oh, you escaped from the egg carrier. So maybe you're
Good job, Amy. Good job. Do the teleporters right to the egg carrier, or do we have to walk there? We have to walk there. Son of a bitch. I'm curious something. No, they probably wouldn't do that. You wouldn't be able to just quit the game and reload it to get back there faster. No, there's no way. It's Sonic Adventure, baby. You don't get convenience. Let me see Amy do more tricks, I guess. And slowly walk back. Keep moving, cool. Next turn, cool. Almost to the ladder. We're almost there. We're almost free from the Amy Rose story. Slowly but surely, we'll get done with this fucking campaign. Let's keep moving.
The train headed for Station Square will be departing.
So we don't actually want to head to Station Square. What we want to go is over here. Because we can take a boat to get to the egg carrier. So now the egg carrier has been grounded, we're good. Oh, it just skips us right to the fight, okay.
Yay, it's them!
Uh-oh. Got punched.
Oh no! Are you okay? You idiot! How could you do this? Now you're gonna get it!
So, finally, we can actually do some fucking damage to Zero. For now, just hit him over into the wall. Zero is not a very hard fight. I say as I immediately die, son of a bitch. Well, now don't I look stupid? So your first objective is grab a ring, go over there, smack him. When he gets up, smack him again into the wall. Once you get in the wall, there'll be a button you can actually press to actually do damage to him. Zero only takes a whopping 3 entire hits. Ooh boy, Zero, very difficult. Ooh. Really, just let Zero walk himself over here so Zero can essentially just hang himself. And thankfully his ground shockwaves are not everywhere. This is one of the only really attacks you kind of have to worry about, is the jump rope attack. But even then, it's not the hardest to deal with. Oh, I'm out of rings. Give me this ring. And there we go. Zero has been defeated. Hey, cameras over here, please.
Please wake up, Birdie.
Amy looks so sad.
Are you okay? Can you fly?
Nope, bye, Bird. He's not here. Nope, Bird died. Bird will be missed.
Whoa!
Amy, you're not a bird. You don't need to impersonate the bird's wings.
Peace again. I'm so happy. I'm going to try my best too.
Good job, Amy. And with that... Fuck, there's more cutscene.
Sonic respect me.
Ah.
And by that time, it's gonna be too late.
There we go. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll end stream right after these credits. Thank you all so much.
Got up my map and it shows someplace I wanted to go. Packed up my stuff, set out for adventure. I know that you're lucky. Colors that cool
It's been so long since I actually heard this full theme. What the fuck? It just keeps fucking going. Almost there. Hey, spilled her groceries again! Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget, these all get uploaded on the second channel, so enjoy that if you want to subscribe to the second channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next stream.